Dryer stopped working the other day, and it's given us this F01 error.
It's the heater upper.
I'm Mike with Tomahawk DIY. Let's take a look at how I'm going to try and fix this. This is a Kenmore HE2 washing machine. This same fix works for a lot of Whirlpools. I believe I've heard it works for Maytag. You can find a variety of videos on YouTube. Safety first. Turn off the gas and disconnect the power. There's 2 bolts that we need to do here, and then we can take off this whole panel to access the circuit board easier. Disconnect the wires after you take a photo so you can easily reconnect them all. This blue one can be a little bit tricky. There's a tab on the side here. Push down and pull it out like that. And we're going to unscrew this bolt. After this bolt's unscrewed, we're going to push the circuit board over this way. And now it's free. Let's get this circuit board out of here. We're going to Alright, there's a little bit of clip there, but get these, just pop them up, and this comes off. Now there's 6 tabs along here. We're going to work the circuit board up past each of these tabs. Just kind of gently pull the board up as each tab is depressed. Alright, let's look behind here. And lo and behold, just like all these other videos indicate, we've got a joint here that's failed. And the real question is, why has that failed? You know, there's some nice videos out there that show running a new wire here, which is great, but something caused that to fail. So I debate whether it's best to replace the whole circuit board. Perhaps there's a problem with the motor or something else that's starting to run into issues in the dryer. But let's start by just trying to resolder this and see if that can hold and keep this board working for a while. Okay, let's see if we can have success fixing this. First, I'm going to try to wick away any solder that's left from the old contact. Okay. Now let's try putting some new solder on. I'm by no means a soldering expert. Looks like it's having a hard time getting onto the circuit board. Okay, well, I've made that solder. I've soldered that. We're going to try putting it back together and see if it's working. Let's put everything back together. Drop the screw. Alright, well, there were 2 screws here and over at the other side that allowed me to pop this panel off. We'll see if my little magnetic extender tool can come up with that screw. Lots of dust. I think there's a screw in there. There is. Alright, we got. I've left my panels off. I got the circuit board back up there. Let's see if this will turn on. Black. Now let's start. Oh, what do you think? I think it works. There was no cheering. It works.
Yay!
So this is interesting. Before I put the panel back on, you see the fire in there? What do you think of the flame?
It's the heater upper.
It's the heater upper.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess that's a good name for it. The heater upper for the dryer, huh? Okay, let's not touch it. If this fix doesn't work for you, I'll include a link. It's an Amazon affiliate link where you can pick up a replacement circuit board for your dryer. Now be sure you check the part number to make sure it's the same part number or one that's universal and equivalent and functions for your dryer before you buy it. If you do, I appreciate it. It sends a small commission to me from Amazon. Costs you nothing more, so it's a little thank you that you can send my way for producing the video. And finally, please like the video, comment, tell others what you ran into, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have a great day.